Hello everyone, today we will introduce the Edit Line Style by Layer function of the LiDAR 360 MLS plugin in CAD. This function allows you to edit point styles corresponding to field values by selecting layers and filtering fields. Taking the traffic light point layer as an example, click the Edit Line Style by Layer button. In the dialog that appears, select the corresponding layer and the fields you wish to filter. You can filter by a single field or by combining multiple fields, with a maximum of 3 fields allowed for combined filtering. Then, under the symbol field, select the target style file corresponding to the field value. Once selection is complete, click OK, and the style in the layer will be successfully updated. After the modification is complete, you can check the log information in the CAD command line. The log will display the number of successfully edited styles. This concludes the introduction to the Edit Line Style by Layer function. Thank you for watching.